Hello, and thank you for listening to another edition of the Vulcan Report. What you have in front of you is a weekly printout of the system-generated buy and sell signals for the securities that we're going to be watching for the week. Now, for those of you who have already watched the previous video, that was the daily printout, because we do a printout every day of the securities that are in play. Well, this is a weekly printout because I get a lot of questions on what do you think thus and so will happen for what security and all that good stuff. So I've developed a printout of that to help give you an overall view of where we see prices going and what is likely to happen. So this is a weekly breakout report. These are breakout points that we're looking for, or inflection price points where in the market, if you're filled with these prices, you should see extreme buying or selling and momentum to follow through and give you enormous profits. Now, I've already given you everything you need on a silver platter regarding these markets. For those of you who got the report on Sunday, you should have already had your orders in the market for those trades, especially the Forex, because it starts Sunday night. Those of you who actually took the trades in the Forex, you're very happy right now. Every single one of those, with the exception of the euro, got filled and are deep in the money. So I would move my stops and take profit if I were you. That's just how I do it. You do your own thing. But I'm giving you the markets on a silver platter every day, helping you to make money so that you can make ends meet and don't have to worry about finding a job that you're never going to find anyway. You can employ yourself, you can trade for a living, and you don't have to pay enormous fees to do so. Another thing I want to point out in this video, because I know time is limited on these videos, is you need to really watch who you listen to. Alright, there are a lot of snake oil salesmen in this business. You have to understand the different aspects of the Wall Street industry, the Wall Street machine. You have people that are just out to get your money. They're out to sell subscriptions. They're not out here grinding it out in the markets every day like me. They're not out here giving you specific entry points, specific profit targets, and specific stop losses. They just give you general overall market analysis, and that's it. Alright, you want to be able to follow someone that you can build a track record on. You know, when I do my videos, you can go back on any given date on any given video and look where I said to buy and sell, and it's very easy to track that information and see if the information I gave you was correct or not. And you can build a track record around that, okay? You can't build a track record around someone saying, I think the market's going to go down tomorrow, and then it does go down tomorrow. Okay, fine. But you didn't receive specific entry and exit points, so how do you know if you would have got stopped out prematurely on that trade or not? You don't know. So be careful of people selling subscriptions. They want you to buy into their trade room, or they want you to buy their newsletter, or they're selling you a system, or they're selling you an indicator or some service where, again, they're just making money off of you paying them subscription fees. There are very few people out there in the world doing what I'm doing, giving you this information for free. Okay? Now, anyone who has a golden goose that lays golden eggs, they're not going to sell that goose. They're not going to give away that goose. Okay? They may give away some eggs from the goose, but they're not going to give away the goose. Okay? I have the golden goose, and I'm never giving it away. You would not believe the hell I had to go through in developing this system, in utilizing this system, and in sharing the information from the system. I worked at several different firms, and everyone I worked at tried to steal my system in more ways than one. That is why, for number one, I'm not selling my system. Sure, I could package it up in a CD and make people buy it, or I could give it online and make you subscribe to it. I could do that very easily. I've received numerous offers to do so, but I'm not doing that. Why would I want to do that? No matter what amount of money someone is willing to pay me for the system, it's worth an infinite more amount of money than that. Again, it's a goose that lays golden eggs, so why am I selling it? I'm not. Why am I giving it away? I'm not. I'm just sharing a few of the eggs with you. That's what I'm doing. I'm sharing the information from the system, the generated information from the system. And I'm doing it for free. Why am I doing it for free? I have numerous reasons. Let me just break down a few of them for you. The first reason I'm doing it for free is to prove and demonstrate that Wall Street can be beaten on a daily basis. Yes, I said it. You can beat the markets, pimp the markets every day, take another fool's money every day in the markets. Every time I'm winning a trade, I'm taking some fool's money. And let me be real with you. It's not the little retail traders' money I'm taking. I'm taking the bank's money. I'm taking money from the big hedge funds. I'm taking money from pension funds. I'm taking money from Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan. Yes, I said it. I'm taking money out of their pocket every time I win a trade. Someone is on the other end of that trade and they're losing money to me. All right? That's why I'm doing what I'm doing for free, to show you how you can do it too. All you have to do is read the report. You can listen to the video, then you can go to the blog and you can print this out. This actual video that's right in front of you, you can go to the blog and print it out. Just click on the picture and it'll download it for you. All right, and you'll have it. It's just that simple. So that's one of the reasons why I'm doing what I'm doing, to demonstrate and prove that it can be done over and over and over again. This other reason why I'm doing it, it's not because I'm trying to sell subscriptions. I'm not selling you a thing. But what I do and what I am, I'm a hired gun. People come to me because of my abilities to extract money from the markets, and they would like for me to manage accounts for them. So that's another reason why I do it. Okay, so yes, I am deriving benefit from it, and that's just how it is. That's how we pirates do. But the difference between me and people out there who are just touting an indicator or a system or a newsletter or a subscription service is that they're out to get your money. They want to make money off of your subscription. So if they get 1,000 people paying them X amount of money a month for their service or a week for their service, they live in large. Me, on the other hand, I only eat what I kill. I make money when my clients make money. That's a whole different ball game. If you're really all that and you're really all that good, you should be able to put it all on the line, and you only make money when your clients make money. How many people are willing to do that? Exactly, none of them. So watch who you listen to, watch who you follow, watch who you give your money to. I cannot tell you how many people have come to me over the years who have lost money to stockbrokers and all these gurus on Wall Street and on television. They bought their courses, they bought their CD-ROMs and their books. They flown to exotic locations to attend these lavish seminars that cost $10,000 just to attend 2 sessions. I can't tell you. I've met people who have spent over $100,000 on seminars and books and tapes and chat rooms and trading rooms, only to be sorely disappointed. I've even met most of the gurus, and I won't even mention their names on here because I'm not about exposing people, but I'm about exposing the methods to you. So I'm not going to name names, but I've actually spoke to many of these so-called gurus who have admitted to me and confessed that they don't even trade the market. They're giving you buy and sell signals for commodities, commodity futures, stocks, and Forex, and they don't even trade. They don't even have their own money at risk in the market. How you gonna follow somebody like that? And while you're getting your face ripped off, they're laughing, sipping on tequila in the Mediterranean on a yacht somewhere. So that's why the title of this video is "No Snakes Alive." All right, root them out, and that's all you need to do. I've set the bar for you. Compare everyone else's service to mine. See who knows what they're talking about. See how much money you would have made following my free videos versus somebody's paid for chat room and newsletters and subscriptions. That's another thing too. How can you follow someone who doesn't even have money at risk in the market, and they don't tell you where to get in and get out? I'm doing it 24 hours in advance, sometimes weeks in advance. I tell you what to expect. And when there's nothing to trade, I'm teaching you to be patient and stay on the sidelines and do absolutely nothing. All right? I don't care if the market moves 1,000 points in a day like it did on May 6th. There's nothing for you. Stay out of the market. Wait for a signal. You're not missing anything. Markets move up and down every single day. You're not missing nothing. So anyway, that's my rant for the day. Here's the weekly printout. Read it and read. And that's it. All right. You notice gold spot here and silver spot at the bottom. All right. These are your weekly targets. You're looking for a breakout in gold of 1196.66. Has a long way to go, but that's the breakout target. Same thing on silver, $18.30. All right. You know how to read the report. I made numerous videos teaching you how to read it. Here it is, all right here for you to take a look at. There's no need to further explain it. Again, no snakes alive. Take what you can, give nothing back. Peace out.